Okay, this is the CMP Cessna 182. I bought it like a year and a half ago from Nitro Planes. It sat under my workbench, but I finally got around to putting it together. Had a little trouble with the nose gear on the maiden flight. I put the soft Dubro wheel on, which really didn't hold up well. Probably pancaked out on landing. I used a heavier spring gear than came with the kit, but apparently it wasn't strong enough either. I'm going to go with the stock nose wheel and get a stronger gear. I put 3.5-inch mains for the grass, and I mounted the remote glow plug adapter inside the window, so I just stick the glow stick through the window. I mounted the fuel valve on the cowling. I tried to hide it in the black stripe, but what I should have done is put the thing up higher, and then it would have been at the highest point of the fuel system, and I would have been able to open it and prevent siphoning. I'll do that with my next plane. This plane I can just open it and tilt the plane back and stop siphoning. Other than that, it runs fine. Currently the ASP61 is mounted inverted inside the cowl. The two switches are for servo power and receiver power. I've also got a charging jack on the side. I got a light kit from Hobby City. Comes with 2 landing lights, a red and a green position light, flashing strobe on each wing, and eventually I've got a red beacon. I'm going to put one on the top of the tail and one on the belly. I'm using the Hi-Tech 2.4 Optic 6. The flaps are on the slider, so I can basically position the flap at any position I want.
Might be the 3-bladed prop and this tip noise or something. That's plenty low. You're not gonna. Calling them good.
Well, let's see how fast.
You're gonna have the same problem I had with my tricycle.
Nose wheel's going to the left a little bit.
Is it? Oh.
That's better. Still going left a little bit, but the rudder's right. Downwind. Taxi's faster downwind.
Oh my gosh.
Go ahead.
All right. Success. Some. Come on.
There's a lot of wide open throttle with this thing. I'm thinking my fuel won't last too long. really responsive.
You landing?
Just kind of getting an idea on the approach. I like the flaps too. I can just, with my fingers that are on the side, I can adjust the flaps. I mean, you see how when I add throttle with the flaps, it pitches up? And way up. Alright.
You gonna land?
I'll do one more flyby and I'll try landing.
Alright, because my arm's getting tired. Yeah.
So it's definitely got enough